everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a quick video on a question I've had a lot, and that is, does a Molotow pen, the chrome pen, work to repair chrome? Today would be a good day to find out because I just got done doing my mirrors. So let's pop the cap and give the tip a quick wipe. And now we'll start with something small. See, I did my mirror and I sanded all this down because it had some serious lines in it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this and dab it on. Just like that. And I'll tell you what, when you dab it on and then give it a quick wipe, see how that just kind of turns into chrome. Let's go up top on the back here and make this better. I've been using this now for this pen. Let me get my thumb in there. This pen now for about 6 months. So it goes a long way. Got it on eBay. It wasn't that stupid expensive. I think it was right around 10 bucks. And as you can see, it will turn your chrome pretty again. Check that out. Gone from horrible to acceptable in under a minute. Now, do yourself a favor and set this aside for about 2 days, or else it will rub off because it is a very soft. You're not going to get rough with it like you can handling regular chrome. It does not like it. But to be able to do this is awesome. I'm trying to keep this in frame for you. But look at, see how I'm just kind of dabbing and pulling, and I'm flowing the ink to where I want it to go. And it's just that simple. Check it out. We'll do the bottom side on this mirror. This is going on a 67 Chevelle SS that I'm working on. Look at that. How cool, huh? I mean, I would have had to paint that back black if it wasn't for the Molotow pen. And they didn't start painting the black until, I think, 69 or 68. So I'm really trying to keep in the period with this thing as best I can. And yeah, look how we got the white here, where I sanded everything down, and just a quick doink. And it's chrome again. There we go. Missed a spot. Check it out. Right there. Look at that dog hair on that chrome, or on that pen. And you can go over the chrome a little bit and try to feather everything in and make it smooth as it would have been, or as smooth as it'll get. No matter what, it's a million times better than it was. So there we go. Get that dog hair off. That's driving me crazy. So that is, what, a 3-minute video on the Molotow pen. I love this thing. It comes in bigger sizes. This, if I remember right, is the like 0.1 millimeter or something like that. I don't know. It's the smaller one. they make it all the way up into where it's like a Sharpie. But this one, I think, really works well with me. I've done valve covers and everything with it. So anyhow, that's it. Works out great. I am Mark. This is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Y'all have a great day.